Hi kids, welcome back. Today we will learn capital ABC from Q to Z with colors. Red color, green color, pink color, yellow color, purple color, blue color and orange color. Let's start. Yellow color, Q, blue color, R, red color, S, pink color, T, orange color, U, green color, V, purple color, W, light green color, X, red color, Y, blue color, Z. Bye bye children, keep learning. Merry Christmas.